Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to make a bar chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, and first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project and your category and amount and click on car, press shift and click on this, select all category and select all amount. Okay, and click on insert and search, click on chart and right corner chart type, click on this, scroll down and search bar, search bar chart, click on this, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.